Using your espresso machine. Add coffee beans to the coffee bean container. While the machine is grinding, adjust the coffee grinder knob to your desired grind size. The smallest grind circle results in the smallest grind size, and the largest circle is the largest grind size. The smaller the grind, the stronger the coffee. The coffee spout moves up and down to accommodate different size cups. Press the power button to turn on your espresso machine. The other buttons will appear after the power button has been pressed. Make sure you have a coffee cup or container placed under the dispenser before choosing any functions. Press the button for your desired function. The espresso machine will begin to grind the coffee beans. When the beans are fully ground, the machine will dispense coffee. Hot water will dispense when the hot water button is pressed. Press and hold any function button for 3 seconds until 2 beeps sound. The machine will begin to dispense for the selected function. To choose a new dispense volume, press the function button again. 2 more beeps will sound, and the new dispense volume will be set. If no custom amount is set, the maximum volume will be the custom dispense amount.